Hi guys, I am Jerwin Danlag. I will show you how to create Python program.
Hashtag level I minus number point 7. Hashtag program that outputs variables using comma and plus. Name equal quotation mark Jerwin quotation mark. Age equal 21. Course equal quotation mark ECT quotation mark. Hashtag using comma open parenthesis dot close parenthesis. Friend open parenthesis quotation mark using comma colon quotation mark close parenthesis. Friend open parenthesis quotation mark my name is quotation mark that name that quotation mark I am quotation mark that age quotation mark age quotation mark years old and I study quotation mark that course close parenthesis. Hashtag using plus open parenthesis plus close parenthesis. Friend open parenthesis quotation mark slash n using plus colon quotation mark close parenthesis. Friend open parenthesis quotation mark my name is quotation mark plus name plus quotation mark that I am quotation mark plus str open parenthesis age close parenthesis plus quotation mark years old and I study quotation mark plus course close parenthesis. Thank you.